Installing new windows in your home is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make, not only transforming the look and feel of your space, but also improving energy efficiency and comfort. The process might seem daunting at first, but with the right information and a well-planned approach, window installation can be straightforward and even satisfying. Whether you're considering replacing a single window or all the windows in your home, understanding each step will make the project much smoother and the results all the more rewarding. Before any installation begins, it's essential to assess your needs and define your goals. Ask yourself, what's motivating this change? Are you looking to reduce energy bills, update the home's appearance, or address drafts and leaks? Selecting the right type of window is critical. Today's market offers a dizzying range of styles, from classic double-hung and casement windows to modern sliding or bay windows. Material choices are just as varied: vinyl, wood, aluminum, fiberglass, or even composite windows, each with unique benefits. Vinyl windows are budget-friendly and low-maintenance, whereas wood offers timeless beauty but requires more upkeep. Next, consider energy efficiency. Modern windows often feature double or triple pane glass, filled with insulating gases and coated with special films to block UV rays and prevent heat transfer. Look for Energy Star, certified windows for maximum performance. Proper installation is key. Even the best window will underperform if not fitted and sealed perfectly. After you've chosen your windows, it's time to measure. Precise measurement is crucial. Remove any curtains or blinds. Open the existing windows fully and measure the width and height of the window opening in multiple places: top, middle, and bottom for width, left, center, and right for height. Always use the smallest measurement to ensure a good fit. Remember to account for any trim or framing that the new window might require. If you're unsure, most suppliers offer professional measuring services to guarantee accuracy. With measurements in hand, you can order your new windows. Lead times vary, so plan accordingly. While waiting, prepare your home by clearing the workspace. Take down any window treatments, move furniture, and cover floors with protective sheets. Safety comes first. Wear gloves and protective eyewear, especially if dealing with old glass or lead paint. When your new windows arrive, inspect them thoroughly. Check for defects, confirm sizes, and ensure all parts and hardware are included. Lay out your tools. A pry bar, hammer, screwdrivers, caulk, shims, expanding foam, and a level are typically needed. Installing a window is generally a two-person job, so consider enlisting help. Begin by removing the old window. Gently pry off any interior stops or moldings, taking care not to damage them if you plan to reuse them later. Score the paint or caulk line with a utility knife for a cleaner removal. Unscrew or pry out the sashes, the movable panels holding the glass. Remove the frame and take out nails or screws anchoring the window to the opening. Clean out any remaining debris, old insulation, or broken glass, so the opening is spotless and ready for the new window. Before inserting the new window, perform a dry fit to ensure it sits squarely in the opening. Now, check the level and plumb. An uneven window can cause operational issues. Use shims to make adjustments, placing them at the window's corners or beneath the sill until perfectly level. Double-check your measurements. Once satisfied, remove the new window. Apply a bead of waterproof caulk around the outside perimeter of the window opening, then reinsert the window. Secure the new window using the manufacturer's recommended fasteners, typically screws through pre-drilled holes in the sides. Drive the screws in loosely at first, check the window's operation, and make minor adjustments before fully tightening. Insert additional shims as needed to keep everything square. Test to ensure the window opens and closes smoothly. Insulate the gaps between the window frame and the wall using low-expansion spray foam or backer rod, taking care not to overfill, which can bow the frame. Let the insulation set, then trim away any excess. Reinstall the interior stops or trim, either reusing your originals or adding new molding for a fresh look. Finish with another bead of caulk on the interior to create a tight seal against drafts and moisture. Outside, ensure the window's exterior seal is weatherproof. Apply a flexible exterior-grade caulk around the perimeter, emphasizing corners and edges. These are common leak points. If your window features exterior cladding, flashing tape, or a built-in flange, carefully follow manufacturer instructions to guarantee a watertight barrier. With installation complete, clean the glass with a soft cloth and window cleaner. Replace blinds or curtains and return furniture to its place. Step back and enjoy the transformation. A clear view, better insulation, and improved curb appeal. For many homeowners, hiring a professional installer is a practical choice. Specialists bring expertise, proper equipment, and can handle unexpected challenges, like rotted sills or hidden damage. Yet even if you entrust a professional, knowing the process empowers you to ask informed questions and ensure the job meets your expectations. After installation, maintain your windows to maximize their lifespan. Clean the glass and frames regularly, check seals and weather stripping annually, and promptly repair any damage. In cold climates, ensure the windows are tightly closed during winter, and in warmer months, use screens to keep bugs out while enjoying fresh air. Investing in new windows pays off in multiple ways. Improved insulation means lower heating and cooling costs, enhanced security and comfort, and elevated home value. Modern windows can dramatically change how a space feels, letting in more light and fresh air while blocking noise and the elements. In summary, installing new windows doesn't need to be complicated or stressful. With careful planning, accurate measurement, and attention to detail, the process is manageable and the improvements immediate and lasting. Whether taking the DIY route or hiring a seasoned professional, the key is preparation and following best practices every step of the way. The end result? A cozier, more efficient, and beautiful home you'll enjoy for years to come.